Professional LW laser welding machines have a special design. The core part can be seen when the casing is opened, which is convenient for maintenance. The machine configuration button can be easily controlled. Interior with high quality and stable components. Equipped with wire feeder to better use in different conditions. Control screen operation equipped with smart screen, easy to operate, and there are multiple languages for customers to choose and customize. Easily suitable for all kinds of metal, stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, galvanized sheet, and welding work is widely used, fence, stainless steel, kitchen utensils, car advertising, and so on. It also has different welding modes to meet the different requirements of customers. After welding is completed, the weld is bright and white, and basically can be done without grinding treatment.